Go.
Hi, I'm Grace, and I want to show you the game of Uno.
Of what?
Of Uno.
Okay.
So, first you had to press a box. Then, you had to press a level. Every level. So, this level is so good. Yeah, and it has 3 votes. So, you have to press next. Here's this. And that has this 3, like the same. So you have to get all 3 stars. Then you have to put in Omnom's mouth. So you have to cut this rope. Then it tells you to pop the ball. You pop it, then it gets into his mouth. So you now have to press next. This and this one is so easy. So when it gets to that star, you pop it. Then it goes into Omnom's mouth. See, if you just don't get 3 stars, that's alright. So we're gonna try to get 3 stars here. We can't. So let's start that over. So this is good. This is good.
Awesome.
That one.
Good job. That's really smart.
And it goes in his mouth.
All right, Grace. Good job. Say we'll do more later. We can only make so many big videos.
But please, can you finish doing this? If you don't get 3 stars this one, that's fine. So you have to cut this rope right here, then cut the other rope. Then
This is really cool. You're so smart.
so you cut this rope, cut this rope, then cut this rope, then it gets into his mouth with 3 stars. So whenever you need help playing this, just go on my.com.
On my.com?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You done?
Uh-huh.
All right, what do you say? Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See ya.